Alright, there we go. There we go. They crush the muscles. Yes, I'm using big crabs right now. That's what they're biting on. Lots and lots of fish are biting. Weather doesn't look too good. They got whiting, spot, black drum, catfish, angelfish, whitings again, catfish, flounder. It's Easter Sunday. This is important. Water temperature 72. Sheepshead today. We got some fiddler crabs. There's one left over from yesterday. It left. But the weather doesn't look too good, so we're not going to be here much longer. We're probably going to fish about an hour or two. But let me set up the rod. Hopefully we get something nice.
I know there's some flounders around also, so I'm just going to put down a live shrimp just about maybe 10 feet out and see if I catch anything. This is a slip sink rig, very simple. A leader with a lead running along the line. You know, I'm going to use a clip and a bead. The bead is just like a stopper from not hitting the nut. And I'm going to use about a 3-ounce weight on here. And let's hopefully get something with this. I'm just putting it right where I see there's a little bit of current. Sometimes some flounders love to sit down by the piling. And always I like to leave my rod slack just in case something big pulls it over. I've seen many anglers lose their rod like this.
Yeah, he's got it. He's got it. Doesn't matter. Oh. Yeah, he's got it. Oh, nice. Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. He's on the same side. No, come. Alright, there we go. There we go. He was a baby when he started feeding. Yeah, I could see the hook from up here just now. Yes. Yeah. It's a nice size one, yes. You mind, yeah. I'm videoing too, you don't mind, right? It's yeah. See?
What they call a sheepshead. Oh, you see the molars too?
They crush
the muscles.
Yes, I'm using big crabs right now. That's what they're biting on.
Shells? Yeah. You didn't catch them on a crab?
Yeah, I'm using fiddler.
Yeah. You know the muscles on the... They crush the...
They will break the hooks too sometime.
Oh yeah.
They will bite through the hook sometime if you're not.
Yeah, they break the hooks.
Yeah.
I have to come back and put it right.
Today we're using fiddler crab, and I'm using a Carolina rig for these sheepshead. I'm using probably about a 12 to 15 inch leader and a very lightweight, maybe an ounce. But I'm going to use 2 crabs because I think these sheepshead are big and they like to feed, so I'm going to double up on the bait. And you know, based on the current, you can change your weight. You know, I think this is like 1.5 ounces I used, but generally it'll be about 1 ounce just in between that area.
jack. I was about to leave. I got a one big sheepshead. And the weather is bad. I said let me throw a few more lines and see what happens before it gets here. Got a nice small jug.
We are up at the pier today. It's Easter weekend. Weather was nice this morning. Went and got my baits. We got some fiddler crab. Said we're gonna catch a lot of fish today. All I caught was one sheepshead. But the weather is not too good. Take a look. So I'm gonna go home and edit this video. I hope you like this big catch. It was really nice. It was a struggle to get him out from under the pier. But there's lots of lightning flashing. Rain is about to fall. Gotta go. Hope you enjoy this one. Oh, this weather came down so bad. There was so much rain this night. I just got home in time. Just. Wow. Only in Florida.